Welcome to Mascot CNC Tools and Equipments Private Limited. We are one of the leading industrial tools and equipments trading groups in Gujarat, known for our quality service, our customer-centric approach, and our ethical business practices. Partner with world leaders in cutting solution companies from Israel, Germany, Korea, and Taiwan. We supply products that are acclaimed for their optimal efficiency and high performance. We also provide material handling, storage, CMM and metrology solutions across Saurashtra. Starting with big dreams and small steps, in 1992 as a retailer of measuring instruments, Mr. Pankaj Waghela, our visionary founder and chairman, made Mascot into a force to be reckoned and an undeniable business legacy that it is today. We are the only ISO 9000-2015 certified company providing quality management system and NABL certification for CMM and calibration. Today, Mascot has turned into a huge family of engineers and technicians that provide smooth, hassle-free, timely services. We have presence in major cities like Rajkot, Jamnagar and Ahmedabad with a statewide reach across Gujarat. With 6 independent and different business verticals under one roof, we continually strive to create innovative business practices and provide high-quality products, ultimately leading to customer satisfaction. Mascot proudly brings you the Smart Factory Industry 4.0 integrator concept-based machine monitoring systems and software. Being the implement and service partner with AutoBits, we provide a wide range of IoT products, machine learning and tracking products that optimize the productivity of the machines, thus reducing the expenses by automating tasks and eliminating skilled labor. It consistently provides accurate results even in large and complex process environments. We also provide industry IT software solutions with wide range of module integration in production monitoring systems, data analysis systems, quality management systems, production planning and control, enterprise resource planning and customer relationship management that digitize your factory and saves a remarkable amount of your time and resources. We are Gujarat's first and the only company with NABL certification for CMM inspection and calibration, having our own CMM and calibration laboratory with one of the biggest scope available. We provide accurate inspection, measurement and calibration services at your convenience. This is a boon for small and medium enterprises that are at the heart of the growing Indian economy.
Our job here is to see that the clients get what they came to us for, an accurate measurement in timely manner.
With over 15 years of experience in the field, we conduct workshop at customers' end on training the staff on machine processes and efficient right use of products. Mascot is proud to present to you our very own range of value-saving machines. These value-saving machines save your valuable time and resources. Drill and resharpening machine, oil skimmer, flexi arm tapping machine and Bradmar's laser marking solutions provide consistent high-quality results even at variably different angles. These efficient time savers also reduce the expenses by eliminating human error and skilled labor. These future necessity machines of booming industrial sector of our country are not only pocket-friendly but are also proven to be environment-friendly. Mascot is the pioneer in introducing thread gauge and inspection gauge in Saurashtra region. Since 1992, we are renowned channel partners providing measuring instruments and thread gauges. Present in our portfolio is the total variety of instruments and thread gauges by Baker India Limited. We are the authorized service providers for repair and calibration of instruments and gauges. With over 18 years of experience now, providing metal cutting tools was one of our foundational business vertical. We are partner and sole provider of the Israeli giant and world leader in metal cutting tool companies, Iskar in Saurashtra. We provide thread cutting tools and solid carbide tools by our German and Korean partners, Emugi and YG1 respectively. We are also partners with KTA and provide spindle holding systems by the Indian manufacturer under Make in India project. We are the sole providers of Godrej's material handling equipment solutions across Saurashtra. Our partnership brings you a variety of warehousing products, storage racking systems, hand pallet truck, forklift and stackers. With 10 years of experience, we are authorized on-site service providers for Godrej's material handling equipment solutions. It all started with a dream. Our journey has inspired various small and upcoming businesses and has touched countless lives.
એ જમાનામાં ISI ના એન્જિન રાજકોટમાં બનતા હતા અને ક્વોલિટી પ્રોડક્ટની ખૂબ જ સારી ડિમાન્ડ હતી. તો લોકોને ક્વોલિટી પ્રોડક્ટ બનાવવા માટેના ક્વોલિટીના ગેજીસ, મેઝરિંગ ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ્સ આ બધીની જરૂરિયાત હતી. લોકોને એટલો ખ્યાલ નહોતો. તો મને એવો વિચાર આવ્યો કે ભાઈ ક્વોલિટી સારી બને એવા સાધનો આપણે કેવી રીતે વેચવા. આમ કરતા કરતા અમારો મેસ્કોટનો જન્મ થયો. એક મારી મેસ્કોટની એક જર્ની ચાલુ થઈ. એ જર્ની ચાલુ થતા આગળ ઉપર અમને જેમ જેમ ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી મળતી ગઈ, કસ્ટમર તરફથી જેમ જેમ સજેશન મળતા ગયા, જે નવી પ્રોડક્ટની માર્કેટમાં જરૂરિયાત હતી એ પ્રોડક્ટ અમે અમારા બાસ્કેટમાં એડ કરતા ગયા. મારું આવતા 5 વર્ષ કે 10 વર્ષ નહીં પણ મારું 25 વર્ષનું વિઝન એવું છે કે મેસ્કોટનું નામ રાજકોટમાં રહે, મેસ્કોટની સાથે સંકળાયેલી જે પ્રોડક્ટ્સ છે એ પણ અમારી સાથે જ રહે અને અમે કસ્ટમર્સને વધુ સારી સર્વિસ આપીએ, કસ્ટમરને વધુ સારી એમની રિક્વાયરમેન્ટ મુજબની પ્રોડક્ટ્સ આપીએ. ટેકનોલોજી ચેન્જ થાય, પ્રોસેસ ચેન્જ થાય, ભવિષ્યમાં જે કંઈ પ્રોડક્ટ્સની નવી જરૂરિયાત ઉપસ્થિત થશે એ મેસ્કોટ લઈને આવશે અને અમારા કસ્ટમરને એ પ્રોડક્ટ લઈ અને સર્વિસ આપશું, સોલ્યુશન્સ આપશું અને નવી નવી ટેકનોલોજી લઈને આવશું. આ મારું વિઝન છે.
A journey for progress, a journey for prosperity, a journey for a better future.